Well, hello guys and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Noah's first birthday. I just almost finished doing the garland. I have a little few more bits to do and then it's done and I can hang it up. I'm going to go and get him a helium wooden balloon, and Paddy's parents are on their way over now and his great granny. Amy came in this morning. She brought a little present for him, a little car thing. So cute. And then she also bought him gorgeous little outfits and stuff, so I'm really excited for his first birthday. Lisa's coming in later and a couple of the other girls and then family, and it's just gonna be a really nice day. I'm also picking up his birthday cake, which I'm really excited about because it's done especially for him and it's gonna be so cool. Oh, the Lisa's just texted me now. Anyway guys, I will talk to you in a bit. A big balloon in the back. A big one. The guy in the shop was like, oh, that's the biggest birthday you can have. And we're just in the car park at the Centra picking up the birthday cake now. It is very warm today. Well, I'm a bit like clammy and sweaty in the car here. I still have so many things to do at home, so I need to get home soon. It's coming up on just 1:30 now, so I was supposed to be picking up the cake at 1:30, and then the girl wrote to me and she's like, I won't be there till 2:30, and I was like, oh my god, I'm here now, and she's like, it's okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes. It's just been very chaotic this morning, and I thought I might get like a new outfit for Noah, but he's just gonna have to wear something he already has because I couldn't find anything yesterday anywhere I went, and the weather's kind of nice enough today for him to wear maybe shorts, like, or maybe overalls or something, so we'll change him when we get home. But I definitely wanted to get him something new for his birthday, and nothing that I could find anywhere that I liked, and all his new clothes that I showed you in yesterday's vlog were all too big, so he will grow into them by the summertime. Hopefully this girl is here soon and I'm gonna guard this cake with my life. I was just talking to Jenna on the phone there as well, so she can't make the birthday today. There's a few things going on in her life, so we're gonna catch up I think on Sunday for coffee and Blanche, which sounds very enjoyable. Oh my god, we just got the cake. Noah is one. Look at this. Oh my god, she did such a fabulous job. It is incredible. I really want to like lick the icing. It is so gorgeous. Look at this. This will feed so many people. It smells delicious as well. I think it's the eucalyptus. So gorgeous. I'm obviously not finished like decorating, but look at Noah's cake. Oh my god, it is absolutely incredible. Paddy's still making the little garland. Hopefully it'll be done at some stage today, but I am so in love with Noah's cake. It is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. The girl that made it, Zara, she's incredibly talented. I will link her below. I found her on Instagram actually through one of my friends. I adore the cake, like I cannot express how amazing it is. And then I just put some little tissues in here. I still have a few more things to put up, like I have a banner here that says happy birthday. I have another banner behind it. I have some straws. And I have some more things. I'm very much loving the little green and white theme, and I think his little wild one birthday is gonna be great. I'm so excited. Is it your birthday? He doesn't care. Put up his little happy birthdays. Kitchen's like a safari. Are gonna set up Noah's birthday present. He got a slide. His great gran got him a slide. What do you think, Noah?
It's dirty on his feet, isn't he? Come on. 1, 2. Oh.
Way! Yeah. Slide. You gonna climb up?
Woohoo!
Go on.
You're gonna get it. His socks are gonna be soaked.
They are soaked.
He is soaked.
Take his socks off then.
How are you going?
You help him up there.
Go on, Noah. Your Uncle Michael will help you. Are you gonna go? You gonna go?
No? Yeah. Mind it again.
Down yourself there.
No, don't. No.
You don't put your finger in, no.
The aftermath. Chaos. Chaos. So Noah's first birthday has come to an end, and I think he had a really nice day. Nan and granddads and family were all over, cousins, uncles, everybody. So it's been a really nice day, and tomorrow is going to be another big day. So I'm going to get him to bed now. It is 7:45. It's past his bedtime because he normally goes to bed at 7:30. So I'm going to get him into bed now, and hopefully he sleeps all night. And I will talk to all of you guys tomorrow. Oh, I just love this. I don't even want to take it down. It's so cute. And the cake had a death. It was delicious. Also, that's Paddy's mirror off his car. It broke when we were in the car earlier on today. But yeah. Happy birthday, Noah. Hi guys, so it is day 2 of Noah's celebrations. I look so tired because I am really tired. There's just been a lot going on. So we're staying in Paddy's tonight, so I packed literally about 1,000 things to make sure we have everything, you know, for the christening and just for the weekend basically. Baptism's on at 4, and today, or right now, it's 10:30, so we have like loads of time. But I just kind of wanted to have a shower and get myself organized, and you know, we just wanted to have plenty of time. Paddy's getting his hair cut this morning as well in Grafton Barber, so we just wanted to get everything organized before we went over to his house basically. Yesterday it was such a lovely day. I didn't really get to talk to you much because I didn't spend time with family and celebrating Noah's birthday, and it was just so nice. The cake was divine. The girl who made it, oh my god, she's so talented. You loved it, didn't you?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah. And we're having a jam and cream cake today, like just a traditional kind of traditional Victoria sponge, and Paddy's very disappointed that it's not the red velvet from yesterday with the buttercream icing. Now it was amazing, and I got like the biggest size because I was like, oh, you know, we'll never get through all of that. There wasn't much cake left in the end of the day. Like a lot, like you ate loads of it, I ate loads of it, like my family, everybody. It was just devoured. And then I gave a big chunk of it to Lisa to bring home to her boyfriend Barry, and gave some to Scott to bring to his girlfriend. Scott's my cousin, so I gave loads of it away as well. But it was just so amazing. Got loads of lovely prezzies and new clothes, and he just had a really nice day, and he was with his cousins and baby Theo, which is Lisa's little boy. And I think in a couple more months, like when Theo's able to walk and stuff, the two of them are going to get on so well because they were so interested in each other. It was so cute to see. And then we have like Josh's birthday in a couple more weeks. Josh is Paddy's cousin's little boy, and he was born 10 days after Noah. So we have like so many celebrations going on lately, and May is a really busy month. Our really good friends Kieran and Rachel are calling over tomorrow, and I think there's a few others.
Yeah, there's a few as well.
Okay, so we're having like more stuff going on tomorrow, so it's a very busy, hectic weekend. But it's, what did you say?
The engagement party as well today.
There was an engagement party yesterday. One of Paddy's friends got engaged. We were supposed to be attending, but like obviously there's just, it's chaotic, but it's good chaos. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later after I have my shower and sort my life out and don't look quite as sleepy. Get the football, Noah. Go get the football. Noah, you're gonna sit down, please? No. There you go. You're ready. Hi guys, apologies that I haven't been able to vlog much today. This is like the first opportunity I've actually had to speak to you guys. We are currently in, where are we? On the way to Lebuka in Ashburn. So we're just driving past Blanchardstown Village, and we're going there for dinner, the 13 of us. It was so nice. The christening mass was really, really lovely. There was only 4 babies been christened. It was just a really nice family affair. The weather here in Ireland is absolutely amazing. So we have been like really blessed, haven't we? Gorgeous Paddy looks today.
For once I'm not
very dapper. He looks great. Very tired today, but I just feel like the last few days, like everything's like catching up on me. It is Eurovision night, which you guys know if you've watched me for a long time, that the Eurovision is one of my all-time favorite things ever. I absolutely live for the Eurovision. I love it so much. I look forward to it so much. I remember even when, I know this sounds sad, but I remember when I was having Noah, I was like, oh my god, I hope he's born before the Eurovision so that I can watch it with him at his first Eurovision. And he was born literally 2 days before the Eurovision, and it's on tonight, so I'm so excited to watch it with our family and just kind of all pick a country. The Irish song unfortunately didn't get through, even though it was really good. Like the girl Brooke who performed our song, sorry I'm going up and down, but she was really good. And it's just very sad that she didn't get through. But anyway, we're going to have a little Eurovision party tonight. I'm sure Paddy's parents are delighted to hear that, because I don't think your parents are that into it.
We've never really watched Eurovision.
No, but my family are big Eurovision watchers. Like, we always like pick our favourite country if Ireland doesn't get through, because obviously we'd be rooting for ourselves. But for the last few years we haven't been through. I don't think the last time we were in was like 2017. So what we're gonna do is we're all picking our own country. Poor little baby is so tired. It's just taken a lot out of him the last 2 days, and there's just so much going on, and everybody wants a piece of him and getting pictures with him, and I just think he is done with the picture segment and been fussed about. I think he just wants to chill out. Are you okay back there? He's in good form now. He had literally like a 5-minute sleep from the church to Paddy's house, because they're around the corner. So I don't know how he's in good form now, and I actually thought he'd go to sleep, so maybe he might. Ashburn is how far away? 20 minutes? 15 minutes away. Thank you so much for watching. I will probably talk to you tomorrow or the next day, but I'll kind of take little bits of vlog footage of the food in Labuka just so you can see it, and we will catch up soon.
That's what I wanted. If you want it, what I got,
Noah's beautiful cake. I think it's split a bit, but it is lovely. Oh! Michael Junkie?
No, I don't like it.
Oh. Hey guys, so it is the next day. We've come to the house just to kind of see the progress that we've made. We have had a painter in, aka my daddy. He's been over painting the house just because at the moment Paddy and I have no time to do anything. When we're finished work, we're putting Noah to bed, and we just can't come to the house. So it's been very frustrating. We've been kind of falling behind with a lot of the house work, obviously, because there's only so much that we can do whilst trying to be parents as well. It is really hard, and we've hired obviously workmen to do as much as we possibly can. You know, it becomes like a point where, you know, money obviously is, you want to be holding on to as much money as you possibly can. So my dad has offered to paint. He's just doing the base coat of the house, which is basically the white paint. So it's the matte white paint. And there's been so much progress. I am so excited to show you, like, and I'm so appreciative of my dad for doing this for us. My plaster is in. I don't know if I showed you that the last time, but this is not really a house update. I do have a house update video coming soon talking about like the floors and everything, but right now I'll just give us a little quick overview of what we're looking like now. So I'll stand at the hall. Can't remember like what I vlogged and what I haven't, but the ceilings are all redone, replastered, and the walls are kind of the same as they were initially. That's our flooring. It's acclimatized. It has to stay in the house for I think a week before it can be laid down, because it just has to like that get to the climate of the house. But as you can see, we have 4 beautiful white walls in here. It's very, very exciting. There is white walls everywhere. I'm so happy. Dad has done so much work in here, and I don't know if you can see, but this is the color that it was, this kind of yellow color. I don't know if you can see that, but you would have seen that in our house tour. And obviously the ceilings have to be painted in here. Dad just started just here, and the ceilings are taking the paint really well. They had to wait for the ceilings to completely dry out, and they're done nearly 2 weeks now, so we're ready to give them a lick of paint, and then I have to decide on paint for the wall. We've picked out our surround, and I just need to pick out the actual fire that's going to be going in there. But we are super excited, and it's much easier to see kind of what needs to be filled in and stuff. Skirting boards are ordered, and we have a carpenter. Paddy's uncle is going to be laying all our floors, and putting in some shelving units here. Somebody had recommended that I put the TV over the fireplace. No judgment, but I don't like a TV over a fireplace. It's just not me, and a 55-inch television kind of kicks out over the edge a little bit. So it's not ideal for us personally. I think we're going to put it here. I don't know. The radiator is there, so I'm not really 100% certain. Paddy has started to sand back the posts on the staircase, which is going to take a while. Not a job that he's loving. We've had our electrician, who is Paddy's really good friend, Dara. Dara's been over and he has done some of the electrical works for us. And I showed you this a little bit, our bathroom, in the bathroom reveal video, but I just have a tiny little sneak peek to show you because I don't think that video's up yet. I am painting in here. I think this is a third coat. This was like a Barney purple colour. I don't know if you remember it. You probably can see like little bits of it there. No, not really. No, there's actually no remnants of it whatsoever. I've had to sand these walls back. They were in rag order, like so bad. Really uneven. It just looked awful, so I've had to do that. So I will show you the proper reveal once all that is done, but you can kind of see our little unit in there. We had to put dark grout on the floor, which is not my favourite, but I'm not hating it as much as I was initially. Just I preferred like the paler grout, but it's a downstairs toilet. And then again, the kitchen, nothing really much has changed other than the plasters have fixed this bit up here and replastered all the ceilings, and we've gotten new lights in. Those spotlights are all new. They can be fit back in. This is going. It was supposed to go with the skip when the plaster was here, but we just forgot about it. I also really, I know this sounds really strange, but I really like the lighting that comes off that light, so I'm gonna try and get a light fixture with 4 little spotlights on it as well. Something just a little bit more to our taste. The lighting it gives off, it's kind of like cozy, but there's so much light from these spotlights. Like if I just turn off that light down there, like they basically light up the entire room. And then in here we have a little bit of work done. I painted in here. I spent most of the afternoon and most of the night here. This took a lot as well because it was like a grey colour, but it wasn't like, I don't know, it was like a dark grey, so it took a lot of paint to kind of get it back to white. And then our underlay for our floors came. This is quite thick underlay. We ordered it from a separate place that we got the floors, but I don't know if you can see it there. It's really thick. So it's noise reducing. This is Noah's little backyard sand pit that his nanny and granddad got for him for the summer months. It was an Easter present, but we won't be able to put it outside until the summer. Kind of all I can really show you without like spoiling the bathrooms and stuff. I am going to do a little vlog of them right now. I'm going to put it into a separate video because that video should be going up live now, like shortly. Also last month we had a couple of dry days and I came over and I fertilized the lawn, so all the horrible grass is like dying out and all the moss and stuff is dying out, so like the new grass is coming up, but it looks horrendous because there's so many black patches in it. You can see that it just needs to fill in. I really like having a back garden and nice grass, so you know I'm waiting for it to all fill in, and then I just need a power hose down here. Again, this is going to be like a job probably for like next summer, like late in the summer, because we're going to be in the house hopefully by August. And I'm not really going to be overly concerned about that. I'm more concerned obviously about the paint and stuff like that. Yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm glad I'm kind of ending it in the house. I hope you enjoyed Noah's birthday and the christening and the house, mini little house tour. I'm so excited to show you guys more of when it's all like finished and bits and pieces. Like our kitchen table is arriving in a couple of weeks as well, so I can't wait to show you that. We have put it off since January, so it has to come now. Also my glasses look funny because these are not my normal glasses. Noah broke my normal glasses. Our kitchen is coming in July. I cannot wait. I put the kitchen back twice already now and I'm so excited for it to come in. I just need to finalize the colour of the kitchen units because I've gone back and forth between this kind of like muscle color and a light gray, and I think I kind of want a light gray now, even though I'm not really a gray kind of person anymore. I used to love gray like back in the day, but I just feel like it's a really easy color to match a lot with. Like the other color that I was going with is called muscle, and it kind of has like a green undertone to it, so I'm not really sure if that's going to be my cup of tea in a few years time, but I know gray is like I don't know, it's never really going to go that much out of fashion. And our fridge has been ordered as well, so everything's getting done. Thank you for watching today's vlog. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very soon.